Okay, this is how you search for cash buyers. Just go to property search here. Pick. You can do zip codes. Separated by comma. You can do a state. City. You can do a county. I'll go ahead and do San Diego. And then over here, the predefined filters. There we go. Cash buyer. Okay, so it automatically defaults to the last year. So you can change the filters. So, for instance, if you're looking for a hedge fund, you may only want single family, residential single, and this single family residential. So you can get rid of duplex, triplex, stuff like that. And then let's see, when sale information, I believe. Where is within the last year? Okay, equity 100%, so they bought it cash. How did they do last year? Where is that again? Yeah, years owned. It's less than a year. So you can do sale date. So you can get rid of this. And you can do sale date is basically after, today's the 7th, so if you want to go back, 60 days or whatever, or I'll just do September 1st. You can do that. And of course you can look at certain price points, to see what the, like the sales price. You could do between or whatever you want for that sales price. And then once that is done, there'll be a green. There'll be like a little green thing here, or little buttons here that you click to skip trace. So hurry up. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory once it's done. You can download the list. You can skip trace it. So that's how you find cash buyers.